problems related to identities. So let's first understand, and it's very easy. Now you will be learning some 3 or 4. Grade 9 you will be learning few more. उसके बाद तो होते ही रहता है, तो याद तो रहना पड़ेगा आपको. Your first identity is a square identity which is called a plus b whole square. Now don't mug it up. First understand what is a plus b whole square, right? And a plus b whole square, even if you forget, is nothing but a plus b as a binomial being multiplied with another binomial a plus b, right? If this was dog, a plus b was dog. Dog square is what? Dog into dog, है ना? Dog into cat तो होगा नहीं. Dog square is dog into dog. So a plus b whole square is a plus b into a plus b. Agreed? This is what? Bino into bino, the last exercise that you did. How do you solve it? First a will come out and will rate the bracket of a plus b. Do you agree or not? Then plus will come out. B will come out and rate the bracket of a plus b. So far any issues? No issues. A multiplied dog into dog is dog square. Dog into cat is dog cat. Cat into dog is cat dog. And this is b square. Multiplication is commutative. है ना? हमजा अली, अली हमजा, एक ही बात है. कम्यूटेटिव होता है. तो आइए, तो इसका क्या वैल्यू हो गया? ए स्क्वायर ए बी. इसको भी ए बी लिख सकता हूं ना, यही तो बात है. हाँ, ये अब देखो ये दोनों लाइक टर्म्स है, मल्होत्रा मल्होत्रा, तो दे गेट एडेड अप. हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं 2ab. है क्या हो गया? ठीक है, 2ab लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. और बच्चों ये है तुम्हारी दांतों की बनावट, इसी को लोग रटते हैं. ये आपका पहला फॉर्मूला है. What is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and that should be in your lips. If somebody says sir is making us do rote learning, बच्चे तुम्हें पास करना है 12th तक, ये सब याद कर लो. वो सब rote learning ऐसे ही सीखते हैं. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Did you have any problem in understanding this? Can you write down this? You are supposed to have it memorized, but in case your memory doesn't support you in the exam hall and you have a doubt that it was a square plus 3ab or 2b square, then you can always generate it. बात समझ में आ रहा है ना? अर्णव समझ में आया? अगर एग्जाम हॉल में कभी डाउट हो गया ना, तो आप खुद ऐसे निकाल सकते हो. आगे इसको और थोड़ा ग्राफिकली भी देखेंगे, पहले ये लिख लीजिए. a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. अब कोई कहता है सर ये सब सिखा के फायदा क्या है? सुनो सुनो, एक मिनट जरा, एक मिनट रोकना. ये सीख के हमें फायदा क्या होने वाला है? सपोज somebody tells you कि आप 102 का स्क्वायर निकालिए. इसका मतलब क्या है? 102 into 102. Then for again nail बैठिया, but we can write it in a smarter manner. 100 plus 2 whole square. Got it? अब इसका फॉर्मूला कैसे ढूंढता है? a square 100 square. So 100 square will be what? 100 and another 20 plus twice ab. 2 into 100 is 200 into another 2 is 400. तो यहाँ पे 400 लिख लिया. And 2 square is how much? 4. जोड़ दो भाई साहब. हाँ, when the batter is very difficult, this is your hand blender. It allows you to do calculations easily. लिख लो, ये एग्जाम्पल भी लिख लो, ऐसे ही होता है. a plus b whole square is a square plus twice ab plus b square. समझ में आया? आइए कुछ और मनोहर दृश्य बनाए जाए. आइए, आजकल ये सब खूब लोग बनाते हैं. क्या अब इसको समझो. ठीक है बेटा, मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने एक ओवरऑल एक स्क्वायर लिया है. आई हैव टेकन अ स्क्वायर. माय स्क्वायर इज सच दैट फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट मेजर्स a. Got it? Let us say this point is x and this point is y, right? wxyz is a square. So that means all sides are equal. But I have taken it in such a manner कि इसको थोड़ा सा नाम दे देते हैं, इसको नाम दे देते हैं m, इसको नाम दे देते हैं n. So xm is how much? A. And my is how much? B. Now what should be the value of xy? A plus b. From here to here a, from here to here b, so the whole thing is a plus b, right? Very good. Okay. Similarly, don't you think, since this is a square, so on this side also, arey baba, since this is a square, and let me put some name, let's say this is E and F. Let's say this part is A and this part is B. Do you agree? Now can I write xw also equal to be A plus B? Right? So if I do, just understand, xy if I multiply with xw, what are you doing? A side multiplied by a side. Am I not finding the area of the square? I'm finding the area of the square, right? Area of the square. So this should be my area of square. What square? wxyz. Do you agree or not? However, if I see my wxyz properly, I see it. If you see this is A, then this is also A, this is also A. Agreed? And if this portion is B, then this is B, this is B, this is B, this is also B. The whole plot, this is our Uzair's farmyard. It has got two squares, each of side A and each of side B. And he also has two rectangles, fish fry ki tarah, do rectangles bhi hai na? So if I individually add all these areas, this should be the area of the square. But spam call hai. एक बार. Hello? Yes, madam? Hello? Yes, tell me, ma'am. No, madam, I am right now on footpath. I am beggar, madam. Okay, the day I have money, I'll call you. Okay? Right, thank you, madam. So this is xy xb. So we'll find the area of the square. So what is the area of the square? You just see, is this not A plus B? And this is also A plus B. xy A plus B. This is also A plus B. That means if I see on my left hand side, I basically have A plus B whole square. Do you agree or not? And this is representing the area of Uzair's plot. But we will find the area by this biscuit, this biscuit, this biscuit, this biscuit. Tell me what should be the area of this much square? A into A. Is it not A square? Yes. What is the area of this chota wala biscuit? B square. B square. This is the rectangle, which has B and A. So its area should be AB. This also has A and B. So its area should be AB. So let us add all the plots. Now Uzair has got 4 children later on, 30 years from now. He has to divide his property. तो सबसे बड़े बेटे को दिया A square. उसके बाद एक बेटे को AB दिया और एक बेटे को AB. तो दोनों बेटों को मिला के कितना दिया? 2AB. और जो सबसे छोटा वाला एकदम बर्बाद, उसको कितना दिया? B square दिया. यही तो वो फॉर्मूला है. What is A square plus 2AB plus B square? What is A plus B whole square? Did you understand now? And A plus B whole square, because you are more interested in enjoying the spam call. A plus B whole square means you make a square which is whose one side is half, some portion A and some portion B. Have you understood? And then divide it. You basically get two rectangles and two squares. If I want to find the area of this, you know the formula of area of a square or not? Side into side. What is this side? A plus B. What is this side? A plus B. So the area should be A plus B into A plus B, which is A plus B whole square. Also, the area is addition of each of the individual plots. बड़ा बेटा, पेद्दा अब्बाई, ये स्क्वायर, चिन्ह अब्बाई, बी स्क्वायर, और दोनों अम्माई को कितना दिया? ये भी 2ab, बस हो गया 2ab. समझ में आया? These are means ways in which, but actually you should know right from your tip of your lip that a plus b whole square is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Nobody will ask you to do all these things. ठीक है? So first formula, has it gone down through your throat? Have you understood how to explain the formula also? Right? चलें अभी our next formula. ठीक है? Now our next formula, first I'll teach you how to do it in this manner, how to remember, and then I'll show you how to remember it very easily. चलें, next page. Sure. Okay. So our formula was, the first one we are done. The first one is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Children, when you will be using this formula and you will get problems, those problems will be simplify. Means small things will be given to you, your answers will be big. देखो ये छोटा चीज का कितना रायता फैला दिया तुमने, तो इसके जो भी problems आपको आएंगे, they will all be spread the beans. And then another thing we will learn in this chapter called factorization. All beans. So now we are only spreading the beans. Okay. So a plus b whole square इतना कुछ आ रहा है. ठीक है. आइए. अब हमारा next formula है a minus b whole square. First we will go by normal way. A minus b whole square is a minus b multiplied with another a minus b. Right, you do yourself. Why are you waiting for me? A comes out in raids a minus b comes out raids a minus b. A into a square, ab minus ba minus plus b square. Be very careful, it will become plus b square. Then these two are they are just like terms, commutative. Minus ab plus b square. So finally it becomes a square malotra minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Many children say, sir, I remember it like this, that only the 2ab term swaps its sign. The rest remains the same if you compare. Understood? Now we will see one more easy approach how to remember it. ओके आ जाओ, पहले ये लिख लो, मजा आयो? हाँ, हीमैन टेक्निक है ये सब. या हीमैन कार्टून हमारे टाइम का वही मेन कार्टून. हीमैन आज भी गले में यहां तक याद है, कभी भी पूछो बोल सकते हैं सब डायलॉग. We don't watch, we go back to our days, our black and white TV, where every time He-Man used to be black and white, and first time on a birthday somebody gave me a He-Man eraser. Then I understood, अच्छा blue color भी होता है He-Man में, और He-Man में red color भी होता है. Orko for me was always ash color. हाँ, कलर टीवी नहीं होता था ना तभी. Orko, वहां पे एक कैरेक्टर है Orko, जिसके ओ लिखा रहता है ना ऐसे conical. So he actually wears a red color dress. That I understood after I saw a sticker, because at home TV was black and white, na? Based on that, remember one thing. Actually, once there was a farmer, and he went to a मेला लगता है ना गांव में. So हाँ, मेले में गया, and the farmer went, and वहाँ पे गांव का मेला देखा है ना, अजीब अतरंगी चीज आता है. सनग्लास बिक रहा था, सनग्लास, ग्रीन कलर सनग्लास बिक रहा था. So he bought one green color sunglass. And then he has to buy, also arrange fodder for his cattle. Fodder समझते हो ना? तो जाके क्या किया, सब सूखा वाला घास काट के लेके आया, क्योंकि उसको सब ग्रीन दिख रहा है ना चश्मे के अंदर से. सब सूखा घास काट के लेके आ गया और लाके गाय को दिया। गाय तो अम्बा खा ही नहीं रहा है, मुंह इस तरफ कर रहा है। बाद में क्या किया, अपना चश्मा खोल के गाय को पहना दिया, फिर गाय सब खा लिया, गाय को भी ग्रीन दिख गया। हाँ, टेक्निक देखते हैं। अच्छा, इसको थोड़ा सा मॉडर्न वे में देखते हैं। लेट्स गो बैक टू आवर फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला इटसेल्फ। ओके, आई रोट माय फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला वाज a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no? Right. अब हम थोड़ा सा इसमें ना मजेदार चीज करेंगे। Your next problem was a minus b, but I'm writing my a minus b something like this. See, I'm writing my a minus b minus, right, and I'm putting it, say, b. Can a minus b whole square, see what I'm trying to say, a minus b whole square, can it not be written like this? A plus multiplying with a minus will give a minus, right? And suppose you don't know this formula, but you know the plus formula, you can generate this formula. Now start mugging up your plus. What is your plus formula? A square. Now look at a's nature. Look at the nature of a. A is a positive entity. Any positive entity square will be positive. A square. All right. Then a twice AB. Look, twice AB. A is positive, but your B is negative. So twice AB should be negative. B is negative, but square of a negative is
positive.
If you know the plus formula, you can take out the minus formula also. That means let us combine both the formulas now. The combination formula is written like this. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. यही तेरे को तेरा स्कूल नहीं बताएगा रे, इधर मजा लेने का, इधर माइनस डालने का, इधर माइनस. If you're reading yellow, follow the yellow. If you're reading white, follow the white. Did you understand this? This is a combo formula. वही प्रिंगल, एक चीज फ्लेवर और दूसरा क्या क्या होगा तुम्हारा वो पिज्जा, और पिज्जा देना एक येलपिनो, ये येलपिनो, ये चीज. अगर आप चीज ले रहे हैं तो चीज में देखो, येलपिनो देखो. Now do you know both the formulas? So if you have two pens, you can write a combo formula for both the formulas. लिख लीजिए. And this is also a Raita wala formula. ठीक है? So if I go to my master formula list, my second formula is also a Raita formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Have you understood? How does it help me? Like say somebody told, find the value of 99 square. I can write it as 100 minus 1 whole square. Right? 99 into 99 is difficult to calculate. So 100 square is how much, beta? 100 square is 100, 2 zeros, A square. Don't bring the minus first. Then take B square. B square is how much? 1 square is 1. If I add both this, it is 100, 0, 1. Now minus 2AB. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 100 is 200. How much it should be?
8,000.
1, 0, 8, and 1, 980. And use your squares and square root chapter. 99 multiplied by 99 is a 9 into 9 should be 81, should be one ending number. Okay, right. Have you understood the two identities? Now, if somebody asks you what is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, what is a square? A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, let's see our third identity. In grade 10, 8, these three identities are most used. Let's see that. हाँ, ये 3 को ज़्यादा हम use करते हैं. Now this one is opposite. Now in the first two, it's spread out. अब देखते हैं एक और. A plus b I am multiplying with a minus b. Let us just do this multiplication. A plus b multiplying with a minus b. ठीक है ना? You can do it anyway. You can bring a minus b first or a plus b. Let's do this multiplication. So a comes out and it says, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of all? Do you get it? है ना? Snow White and the seven dwarfs. Piramcheru and the seven dwarfs. Okay, so a into a makes it a square. A negative ab. You must be saying minus ab, you desi bacha. Feel like negative ab, yes. Minus sounds so desi. It's a garibs, you know. Yeah, not poor, garibs. Garibs, yeah. So this is a square, a minus ab, a plus ab, minus b square. Plus malhotra minus malhotra. कट जाएगा? So gives us our next formula. If you have something as a plus b into a minus b, that is same as a square minus. This is a very, very important formula in grade 9, 10, 11, 12, engineering, wherever you go. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So let me write down all our three formulas. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. मजो आयो? ठीक है, इसी में प्रॉब्लम कर सकते हैं. एक हाथ बढ़ा के देता है तुम्हारा आर डी शर्मा, काम नहीं है उसके ऊपर. ठीक है. So let us first do some. नहीं यहां से नहीं करेंगे, थोड़ा रुक जाओ, थोड़ा रुक जाओ. Wait. एक्साइटेड मत हो जाना, जान मत दो बेटा. पहले सुनो. My student gave me this book and then he wrote so many things. Good luck, sir, with your YouTube channel. Okay, operations on algebraic expressions, page number 83. 83, yes. हाँ चले. नहीं मैं करा रहा हूं, करेंगे प्रॉब्लम. ये 3 हो गया बेटा. As this got registered, धीरे धीरे. And if you are a good student, then what you should do? You should just write these 3. And again, you know the slots where to be posted: in front of the brushing, in front of the sitting WC, in front of the brushing wash basin, and in front और जहाँ स्टडी टेबल में. रोज रोज ये देखोगे ऐसा हो जाएगा. फिर जिसको भी जब मम्मी पूछेगी एक रोटी दूं क्या, ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ऐसा. हाँ, अर्णव का वैसा हो गया. अर्णव को उस दिन बोला, आओ अर्णव, गेट इनटू द बस. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. हाँ ऐसा हो गया. ठीक है ना. कितना सुंदर फ्लोरोसेंट ग्रीन ड्रेस पहना है. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए समझा कितना फ्रेश लौकी जैसा दिख रहा है वो. एकदम गार्डन फ्रेश एंड प्लक्ड. भाई साहब लौकी कैसे दिए हैं? 20 रुपया. अरे लौकी नहीं, मैं अर्णव हूं. हाँ मत लेना मेरे को, ठीक है ना. आ जाओ भाई साहब. 3x प्लस वाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं इस प्रॉब्लम को. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स सी. जोक्स अपार्ट, 3x प्लस 2y और यहां भी 3x प्लस 2y. हमें ये मल्टीप्लाई करने बोला है. सो चिल्ड्रन, वन ऑफ द वे वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस इज by the homework that you have done. It clearly shows a bino into bino. So we could have straight away gone and done as a bino and a bino, but that would be like making the dosa batter with your hand. And yeah, and now you have a mixer grinder, so we'll use that. So if you look at this properly, and if you think this is like an A, then this is also an A. And if this is a B, then this is also a B. Do you agree? And then, beta, man mein laddu futa. You think, array, this is A plus B into A plus B. Ahaha, means it is a plus B whole square. So I can use my formula A square plus 2AB plus B square. this your bulb has to click. Okay, minus तो है ही नहीं बेटा यहाँ कहीं भी, minus तो है ही नहीं. This has to click in your brains. Have you understood? The blue, whatever I have written, you don't write on the book. Blue is something that will be clicking in your brains. So your next step will be what? You will write this as 3x plus 2y whole square. And now we will use our identity. What is our identity? A square. Who is A here? 3x is A. Children. 3 is not A, huh? The entire 3x is A. Don't just take 3. So A square. Now you will write it as with bracket A square. And what is B? What is B here? 2y. So A square plus 2ab. 2 into A into B. Right? And then B square. Agreed? Now what? 3x whole square is how much? 9x square. अरे ये आना पड़ेगा. 3 into 3 is 9, x into x is x square. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12 xy, and 2 square is 4 y square. 4y square. This is your answer. And had you done it like your homework, then also the answer will come same. 3x plus 2y plus 2y into 3x plus 2y. First problem always understand, don't copy. 3 into 3 is how much? 9x square plus 6xy plus 3 2s are 6xy plus 4y square. 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square. देखो दोनों मैच करेगा. Did you understand? So the question that will come to you is, solve this using appropriate identity. They will not tell you the identity A plus B. Using appropriate means you are a commando, you are carrying all type of weapons in it. Kill this enemy with the appropriate weapon. Enemy was actually a small lizard, and you started to take out AK-47, load magazine, cock the gun, and then you are firing at it. By that time lizard has already come into your shirt and you are already dead. ठीक है ना? मजे आयो? ठीक है, आगे चले. ये प्रॉब्लम समझ में आया आपको? आइए अब थोड़ा सा एक लेवल अंदर घुसते हैं टफर पे. ये कर लीजिए, कॉपी कर लीजिए. कर लो. जिसने कॉपी नहीं किया कर लो. हो गया पिट्टू? वेरी गुड. टेक योर टाइम एंड कॉपी. दो दिन पहले हम गार्बेज कलेक्शन करने आते हैं ना, वैसे तो मैंने अपना गार्बेज घर का बाहर निकाल के रख दिया. फिर भी बेल बजा के मुझे पूछा, सर गार्बेज सर. ये है ना, दिख नहीं रहा है. वो भी नहीं दिख रहा. मैंने को भी दिखा दो. मैं सर गार्बेज नहीं, आई एम गार्बेज. ड्रम में बढ़ जाऊँ क्या, कूद जाऊँ? देन ही सॉ द बिन. क्या करूँ? एवरीवन इज स्ट्रेस्ड इन दिस लाइफ. all people should watch Chhota Bheem, Paw Patrol, Max and Ruby. How many of you have seen Max and Ruby? Cat, Max, Rabbit. हाँ, Max वो बात नहीं करती है ना. Max and Ruby and Fair of the World Fair वाला देखे, उसमें इंडियन स्टॉल भी रहता है. हाँ, Max and Ruby. कार्टून देखना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में भाई साहब. आइए नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. 4x square plus 5 multiplied with a 4x square plus 5. बेटा मन में लड्डू फूटा. Same term. So this also qualifies for a plus b whole square. So I can, in my first step, I can write it as 4x plus 5 whole square. And after that, what do I do? After that, I think that this 4x is my entire a and entire b is 5. Have you understood this? 4x squared. Yeah, 4x squared. कौन बोला बेटा? 4x square ही तो लिखा था ना. You didn't see square. Oh, maybe your data is slow. I wrote 4x square. Teacher is never wrong. You can be wrong. ठीक है? 4x square. 4x square plus 5 whole square. Right? Now what does the formula say? A square. So let's build up our a square. Our a is 4x square whole square. 4x square whole square. This is what you have to be careful. A square is entire 4x square. यहां पे हाथी घोड़ा मेंढक चिपकली जो भी रहे वो सब A है. So A square is हाथी घोड़ा मेंढक चिपकली square. ठीक है. Plus 2ab, 2 into 4x square into 5 plus b square is 5 square. मजो आयो. Now here you can actually apply. हाँ नहीं चाहिए ना, 5 को क्या ब्रैकेट देना, इसमें 2 बच्चे हैं ना. अरे यहाँ इंटरेस्टिंग है, यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंट लॉ भी लगा सकते हो. 4 का स्क्वायर और x का हो जाएगा 4. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? x square into square becomes x4. However, 4 will be just squared once. So 4 square is how much beta? 16. 16 x4 plus 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40 x square plus 25. You understood? Very good. You all are excellent children. If that be the case, can I put up 2 problems on the board for you? हाँ हाँ रुको ना, हाँ डोलो वाला ही देंगे. अभी ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है जमीन खिसक जाएगी नीचे से. हाँ वैसा ऐसा देंगे देखता. अर्नब क्लियर हो गया ना भाई साहब? एंड अभियान क्लियर बच्चों? यस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. चले. डोलो. डोलो का दूसरा नाम है लोडो. हाँ अहम चुपिष्यामी, आप लोग करिष्यामी. मैं चुप करके बैठा हूं, आप लोग करेंगे. और जहां किसी को दर्द होगा, किसी का आंसर आ गया तो बोलना क्या आया, है ना. जल्दी करने के लिए मिलते हैं 0, धीरे धीरे करेक्ट करना. एंड आई टोल्ड यू गो बाय द फॉर्मूला. फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई हु इज योर ए, देन आइडेंटिफाई हु इज योर बी, then the formula applicable is a plus problem we are doing, so it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. तो कुछ भी बोलने से बोलना. हमारे क्लास में तो सर का मूड बहुत अच्छा रहता है, तुम्हारे क्लास में ऐसा क्यों रहता है? हाँ उल्टा छोड़ने, पिल्लू छोड़ने का ऐसा. धीरे धीरे करेंगे, स्लो स्लो करेंगे. Anyone who would like to call out an answer by now? मतलब डोलो का. हाँ भाई साहब जरा आंसर बोलिए, आपका आंसर लिखते हैं. एक 4/9 a square प्लस 1/4. हाँ ब्रैकेट बोलो, आगे बोलो. ए बी 1/4 ए बी, उसके बाद ए बी स्क्वायर पर ब्रैकेट क्लोज है. ओके. प्लस 9/16 बी स्क्वायर. अच्छा. You also, you have a different answer. Yeah, what is your answer, darling? 4a square by 9
plus b
plus ab
plus 9b square by 16.
प्लस 9b²/16, मतलब उसको इमरती मिला है, तुमको जलेबी मिला है। बहुत अच्छा, तुमको भी रेयांश का आंसर मिला है। तो ऐसा 2 आदमियों को ऐसा आंसर मिला है, 1 आदमी को ऐसा मिला है। और कोई भाई? यस, नंबर 1, यू गॉट द नंबर 1 आंसर। ये नंबर 1। हाँ अभियान बोलो कौन सा मिला? सेकंड वाला। इसमें 3 बच्चा है। आगे आगे, 3 की बोली, 3 की बोली, आगे बोलिए, आगे बोलिए। a+b² 2 किलो। 1 साहब आपका निकला, कुछ तो निकला होगा ना, सांप, मंगूज, कुछ तो। पेन से इतना देर लिख रहा है भाई साहब, कुछ तो सम ग्राफिक्स दे मस्ट हैव रिटन ना। मैं करूं? अच्छा मैं करता हूं, देखते हैं कौन सा आता है। एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू ऑल दीस किड्स हु हैव डन एंड हूएवर आर ट्राइंग। देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट समबडी गेटिंग अ राइट आंसर और अ रॉन्ग आंसर। दोनों तो राइट नहीं हो सकता है, शायद इसमें राइट आंसर है ही नहीं, या फिर कोई एक राइट है। जो भी है, आइए देखते हैं आंसर क्या है। कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई योर ये? व्हाट इज योर ये? 2/3 a is my a. So my first term is a², so it's a 2/3 a whole square. Can you identify your b? 3/4 b is your b. The entire 3/4 b is your b. अच्छा, आपको भी सेकंड वाला आंसर आया है। Entire 3/4 b is your b. तो आओ, so twice ab. a क्या है बेटा? 2/3 a. b क्या है बेटा? 3/4 b, और b² करना है, यानी कि 3/4 b होल स्क्वायर। इतना तक हो गया। अब हमें सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करना है। 2 का स्क्वायर होता है 4, 3 का होता है 9 और a का होता है a²। समझ में आया? ठीक है, ये जरा जलेबी जलेबी है, तो इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। ये कितना हो जाएगा? 3 का स्क्वायर है 9, 4 का स्क्वायर है 16 और ये है b²। देखिए दोनों के ही आगे पीछे करेक्ट है, यानी जलेबी और इमरती में गड़बड़ है ना, बीच में। The upper burger and the bottom burger means the same. The patty or the fillet is having a little problem. Shall we do it? Yes, let's do it. Let's change the pen color now to yellow. I got a 3 on my numerator. I got a 3 on my denominator. Wait, yaar. Now no more call out. I got a 2 into 2 makes it how much? And a 4 in the denominator. So 2 into 2 is 4 and a 4 in the denominator. Oh my God. Everything goes away. That's so strange. I just have IB out here and nothing else. So, एक मिनट सहज, तू तो बाद में बोला ना मेरे को ये नहीं आया तो तेरा ये 1 काट लूंगा। नहीं, तुमको पहले दिया था ना, इसलिए काट दिया। सहज तू पहले इसको बोला था कि तेरा ये है, फिर जब मैं कर रहा था कि कुछ बोला ना, इसलिए काट लिया। सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। अर्नब बिट्टू कहां पे रॉन्ग हुआ, समझ में आ रहा है? ये देखो, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, 2 बड़ा ही डेंजरस चीज है ना, 2 को भी मल्टीप्लाई। इसलिए मैं हमेशा कहता हूं समझ के। एयरलाइन में आप तो सब लोग प्लेन में गए हैं, ध्यान दे सबसे निकटतम मार्ग आपके पीछे भी हो सकता है। इमरजेंसी का मतलब ये नहीं कि सामने जाते रहो। The nearest exit might be right behind you. But we are like SHEEP, sheep. Wherever one goes, you know the beauty about sheep as an animal? So suppose a flock of sheep is coming, right? And our friend Uzair is standing with a stick in his hand and the sheep are coming down. So he puts the stick like this. The first sheep will jump over the stick. The second sheep will also come jump over, and they're jumping. After the 8th sheep, he just takes the stick away and now he will see all the sheep, not sheeps, jumping. मेरा सामने वाला जंप किया ना, मैं भी जंप। आप यहां क्यों जंप किया? वो किया ना, इसलिए मैं भी किया। उन्होंने किया ना, इसलिए मैं भी किया। एग्जाम देने से पहले सब लोग ऐसे ऐसे करके जाते कि वो ऐसे किया ना, ऐसे। सारा जिंदगी भगवान को याद नहीं करोगे और पेपर से पहले याद करोगे। हाँ, 3 इडियट जैसा हो गया ना, नाक को दूध पिला रहे हो, नाक कहाँ सुनेगा। ठीक है, आ गया ये भी भाई साहब, ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया। एक और डोलो हो जाए। फ्रैक्शन में ही तो खेल है, खेल तो फ्रैक्शन में ही है। नहीं, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है। अच्छा चलो एक आसान सा देता हूं, आसान। बेकसूल विटामिन टैबलेट। हाँ, बेकसूल में कुछ नहीं है, बेकसूल विटामिन टैबलेट है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सिर्फ विटामिन टैबलेट खाने से कुछ नहीं होता, सिर्फ येलो यूरिन होता है और कुछ नहीं, बस। हाँ, any vitamin tablet, vitamins don't remain in your body, na. Vitamins go and get out of your body. They get created. Please do this problem. Do you identify what type of problem it is? What type of problem is it? A minus B whole square, children. Yeah, you got it. And you identify who's your A and who is your B. Mandarin में लिख दो क्या?
他们拿来的什么 next problem 他经过眼睛查 minus 眼错眼睛查查来用清查那边清查
ठीक है, चलेगा? लैंग्वेज बदल दूं? मिडल ईस्ट चले जाए? वल्लाह ये प्रॉब्लम देखिए, खुदा की किस्मत से ये देखो मिडल ईस्टर्न में लिख दिया, बाइनोमियल इनटू बाइनोमियल। ये है हमारा प्यारा सा बच्चा निवेदिता, खुशामदीद। ये देखो बाइनोमियल फीलिंग्स के साथ लिखना पड़ता है तो सारा प्रॉब्लम बन जाता है। बस ओनली यू नीड इज फीलिंग्स, फीलिंग्स है सब लैंग्वेज बनता है। देखा? हाँ, ऐसे बाइनोमियल इनटू बाइनोमियल बन जाता है। नहीं, डांटने से भी ऐसे ज्यादा खामोश तो वो भी बन जाए। हाँ, खामोश दम होता है। राशियन भी लिख सकते हैं, राशियन में कुछ नहीं, तो उल्टा एम उल्टा सी उल्टा पी उल्टा आर लिखो, राशियन हो जाता है। You want to write in Russian, then this becomes his name is Shreyan, so starts with a C and we can write like this, you know. So that's this, it becomes Russian. Russian. Yeah, this is Russian. So many rubles, you know. You got your answer? Let us check it. This boy says he got his answer. He is Vladimir. You know. You got your answer? I love that. He is Mikhailoshenko Ileski. Okay. Let's see. I was last doing this problem in the city of Poland, and then I crossed over the borders and went to Russia. And let us see what the Russian government has for me. Oh my God. Let's find this as 4x into 4x. Makes it very simple. 16x squared. 28 times y. Why I'm doing like this? I should be doing it in the formula. See? Because I'm Russian, I'm forgetting. It's a 4x minus 7y whole square. Right? I want to do it in Jamaican style. Out in the West Indies, then you can do, oh, you have a 4x minus 4y. So children, you take the 4x, you make it the square, and you take twice AB. So it's 2 into 4x into 7y. And then you do the 7y whole square. You got it? Last time I was doing this, I was in Trinidad. And this is now 16x squared. 24887 is 56. Got it? Don't talk. Otherwise, I'll make you fly from Florida. Air base. 7 square is 49y square. If you have got this answer, you bless yourself as a very nice child. Did you get it? Very good. Gracias. Gracias is Spanish, you know. Yes, I was lost in Mediterranean Sea. Because I'm Spaniard, you know. यार सब भाषा बोल सकते हैं, जैसे बोलो। अच्छा नेक्स्ट बनो। जापानीज नहीं, अभी अब मैं खुद बंगाली हूँ तो बंगाली में भी तो पढ़ाना चाहिए ना, एक प्रॉब्लम बंगाली में हो जाए। चलो ये करो। अरे डोलो, अभी ऐसा डोलो दूंगा ना, जिंदगी याद, जिंदगी मौत ना बन जाए, संभालो यारो। ठीक है? हा। As the time is coming to a closure, your last problem for the day. Now I am the Bengali teacher. Do you see? There is a 3 by 4. Again, fraction. Fraction minus fraction whole square. So you have to identify. And later from Bengali, I'll slowly travel to Odisha also. Yes. There's a 3 by 4p, and currently you have to do this problem. Otherwise, there will be various problems. Sometimes I'm in Odisha, sometimes I'm in Bengal. And if you want to come down a little bit down Andhra, I can come here. 3 by 4p minus 5 by 6 whole square. I will be in Bengal. Yes, ma'am. Do this. First, identify your A. Then you identify your B. And what is the formula this time? A minus B whole square. Remember that. A square minus twice AB plus B square. Yes. Yes. You got the answer? You are looking to be a very bright, focused child. I need to see what answer you have got. Light is coming through your face. So much bright light I am able to observe. And the focus that you are doing, no, not that physical light, the light of education. It is blasting through your face between the two ears. And horizontally. And I will talk to the government to also award you for this. Okay. He is very eager. Tell me what is the answer. Our boy, tell me what is the answer. 9 by 16 p square minus 5 by 4 p cube minus 25 by 36 q square. But with great sorrow and grief, I am telling this answer is wrong. Yes, it has to be a plus here. The formula always ends in a square minus twice ab plus b square, my child. How can you have two minus in the problem? There has to be one minus. Abhiyan is very delighted because his answer is also correct. Let me also solve it. And as we end our class today, the A is 3 by 4p whole square minus, in Odisha they will say, generally there is a 3 by 4p. Currently you are having a 3 by 4p. You have another 5 by 6q, and definitely you have to have a 5 by 6q square also, right? This is we are getting from Bhubaneswar, all these things, very fresh items. 9 by 16 p square. Then we get how much? P cancels this as 2, and this 2 and this 2 will cancel, leaving only 5 by 4 and PQ, and 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and we get a Q square. Definitely this is the answer. Today, the homework, I will be uploading some photographs. You do not need to do R.S. Agarwal. I will similarly upload photographs and also the relevant answer. That is the key. Okay. And I'll be doing from R.S. Agarwal. If you have this book, it's quite good. Or else follow the photograph and do your problems. Got it? R.D. Sharma we will do. अब आपका ग्रिप क्यों अच्छा आ रहा है पता है, क्योंकि आप पहले आर.एस. अग्रवाल कर करके आर.डी. शर्मा में जा रहे हो ना, आपका ग्रिप अच्छा रहेगा. हमको क्या इतना जल्दी करना है, slowly करो ना. Got this problem? And practice more of these what you call fractions. It will come up. Thank you. Yes sir. मैं problem upload करूंगा. मैं फोटो बेटा टीम्स में भी दूंगा, पेरेंट ग्रुप में भी दूंगा, टेंशन मत लो. और अगर तुम्हारे गर्लफ्रेंड का नंबर है दे दो, उसको भी भेज देता हूं. वो बोल देगा, Arnav dear, this is your homework, please do it, else your sir will punish you. I just don't want you to see you punished, you know. और थोड़ा ब्रिटिश हो जाता, honey, that's your homework, you know, that moron sir has given you, please do that. Bye darling and darlings.